Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to upgrade the Linux kernel to 6 on Rocky Linux 9. First, check the currently running kernel version using the following command. This output confirms that the system is currently running a 5 kernel. ELRepo provides newer kernel versions for enterprise Linux-based distributions such as Rocky Linux. Now, import the ELRepo GPG key and install the ELRepo release package. Once installed, you can list available kernel packages from ELRepo. Next, to install the latest mainline stable kernel, run the following command. Continue to confirm the installation when prompted. Now, check the default boot kernel. Then, reboot the system. After the system restarts, verify the new kernel version. You can see that this output confirms that your system is now running kernel 6.